Let's hope this is speedy because my camera's gonna die at 26 minutes. So hurry up. Anyways, today is a gratis unbagging, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. We're on episode, I have no idea, 17, 16, 15. It's up there. You'll see in the title, of course. So I'm gonna just like go through this relatively quickly and give you the rundown. I've already like taken the packaging off some of it, so that way this will be faster. So we had this little event thing where we got trained by Peter Thomas Roth, the brand, and we were able to get some full-size gratis with it and like little perks as well if we like answer questions. So we got a hair wrap thingy. It like is for masking. PTR is all about their masks. So you can take this like this and like wrap your hair, I guess, for when you're masking to keep it out, or like wash your face and keep it out. So that's like really nice. I might leave this on. Do I look wild? I feel like I'm a little wild. Anyways, then I answered a question and I got this little baby water drench, which is their moisturizer. It's a lightweight moisturizer, but it's super hydrating. I've always wanted to try it. I've never had it. So, yeah. And then I got the Peter Thomas Roth, the Cloud Cleanser. It's a hydrating cleanser. We could have gotten this or the anti-aging one, the orange one. I wanted this one because the anti-aging one you can't use daily, and I need a cleanser I can use daily. I mean, I have a bunch, but like I don't want like a once a week kind of cleanser. And then I got the Peter Thomas Roth Green Relief Therapeutic Sleep Cream. It has cannabis sativa oil and retinol. So once I finish the retinol I have now, I'm going to switch to this one and use it twice a week like I'm using the other one. It also has colloidal oatmeal. They say you can use this every day, but I really don't want to get into using a retinol every day. Not at my age. I'm sorry. So yeah, pretty hype for those. Then we got this random bag. It was in a bag as well, but it's a benefit one. Some people got like the bronzers and whatnot if you were in color. I'm not in color, so I just got the little bag thing, which I have one of these already, like one similar to this. It doesn't say the same thing. This one says Beauty and the Beach. And I actually like this for traveling because you can fit like your lipsticks and whatnot in here and not have them just run all around like a bigger makeup bag. So that's pretty nice. Then randomly we have like this Philosophy like stress ball, which it's kind of hard to squeeze, and when I'm stressed I rub, I don't squeeze. So like this doesn't have a ton of benefits for me, but it's the thought that counts. So it makes a funny sound. And then we got this Philosophy bag. It's a backpack kind of thing, like one of those that looks like this. Those drawstrings. It would be cool if like they just put all our gratis in here. Anyways, it says Philosophy is miracles don't just happen, they are created every day. Through the daily ritual of self-care, we connect with our inner strength and create the miracles we want to see. So that's nice, like a school bag or gym bag. And then, carrying on, I might as well stick with Philosophy. We got 3 products from them, which is pretty phenomenal. I hadn't realized that at first. I got the Philosophy Anti-Wrinkle Miracle Plus Worker Primer. I've never seen a primer from them. It's a line correcting primer. It says miracles don't just happen. It's basically, it says exactly what it says on that thing. So I guess that was the point of this. This is like their new product because I've seen these other 2 before. Interesting. Apply a thin, even layer over moisturized skin. Allow to dry before applying makeup. So we want to dry with this. Interesting, interesting. Next is Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor. I wanted to try this. It like is a clay mask and it's supposed to help with your pores. Maybe I'll do this tonight because my pores need some cleansing. It says no one is perfect, but we can all be pure. Purity's intention, purity's perspective, purity's principle, reserve judgment, and treat others the way you want to be treated. I love Purity Cleanser. I'm not using it currently because I have a bunch that I need to use before I move into Purity again. But I used Purity for 3 years straight, and it's my love. Then we have Renewed Hope in a jar. It's a peeling mousse. It says live with optimism, renew with hope. Instant glow facial. So that's interesting. I wonder how that works. Doesn't say much about it though. And then I got the Benefit They're Real in a mini. I think I've gotten this before. So that's interesting. I've looked at the one of that and I'm not super impressed. And then we got the Summer Fridays jet lag mask, which is a hydrating mask, I believe, and it's a mini, but it's still really nice. I've heard a lot of good things about this. Yeah, it's a hydrating mask. This is a 1 ounce, so it's about the size of your average foundation. The full size one is like massive. Next is the new Lancome UV Expert Aqua Gel Defense 50 sunscreen. I'm pretty sure this is new because I hadn't seen it before recently, like the past week, in store at least. And it is SPF 50, which is really nice because I'm about to go to Disney and Florida. The sun is just there, and I need a strong SPF. The one I'm using now, I think, is 45 or 50. It's up there. It's at least 40 though. I use the Peter Thomas Roth one, but it's nice to have another one because this one is oil-free, cooling, and invisible, and it has vitamin E in it, and it's actually a primer and a moisturizer. And my other one is tinted, so there's that. Next is something I'm super excited for. It's the Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment in the original one, which is supposed to be like the best one, and some people got like a colored one, but I love this one. I'm really glad I got this one because it's like, wow, pretty hyped for this. Next is the Clinique. We got two things from Clinique, so let me take them both. Clinique Clarifying Lotion number 2 for dry combination. So that's nice. I think this is the one with alcohol in it though. It says it's flammable, so probably. I don't like putting alcohol on my face like that. And this is the Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. So I'm glad I got the mask, not the moisturizers, because the moisturizers are not heavy enough for me. And I can just put this on last and let it soak. This I might try. Maybe. It kind of makes me nervous putting alcohol on my skin. You know what's funny? These are the same size. Next is Sephora Collection eyeliner. It's the brush tip one, the new one. I've got this. I had a feeling we were gonna get this actually. They finally launched a brush tip liner. It's supposed to be really nice. I can't get it open with my nails right now, but it's in the black shade, so I'm pretty excited to try this because a lot of people like to get Sephora liners, and I've never really used them that much. Like the liquid ones, I've used the pencils. Then we got another Kush mascara. This is my second one, so I think I'm gonna open the other one and start using it. I've been using the NARS one and I really like it, so I'm gonna try the Milk Kush. It's really heavy. And last but not least, we got the Fresh Soy Cleanser in the, this looks like the big size. It's definitely a full size. It's 5 fluid ounces and it's for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. So that's really bomb. I have so many cleansers that I've gotten lately. Oh boy. But this is nice. I've always wanted to try this. Actually, I think I had a full packet and I used it one time. It was really good if I remember correctly. I like to take full packets on vacations. Probably not my best idea because I'm not right now. But anyways, this is just a really gentle cleanser. I'm pretty hype for it. Yes. So that was a pretty skincare heavy bag, which I'm not complaining about. I really enjoy skincare. I don't wear makeup every day, believe it or not, so like skincare is the way to go for me. So I am excited for this. I'm gonna do a mask tonight. What's today? Wednesday? I really should peel, but I'll peel Friday instead. So yes, I'm going to do probably this clay mask tonight on my nose. Let's see how that goes. But I'm really excited for this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Gratis is like one of the best parts about working at Sephora. I'm not gonna lie, like you get to try a bunch of stuff that's new and whatnot and tell people about it. So like it's so much easier to give recommendations when you can try things, because you only get so much when you get like a sample jar, and it's hard to like really be able to talk about it with people. But like when you see the bottle in store and you're like, oh yeah, I have that, this is how I feel about it, like it's a lot easier than when you just like, did I get a sample of that? I don't really remember. So I'm really appreciative of it, and I know there's more guys coming. I just did a survey thingy for it, so I'm pretty hyped. But yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. I will see you guys next time. Bye!